During the week of June 5th to June 11th, 2023, as an Aries, you may experience a range of cosmic influences that can impact various aspects of your life. The planetary alignments suggest that this week will be dynamic and potentially transformative for you. Let's delve into the details of your horoscope. At the beginning of the week, the assertive energy of Mars, your ruling planet, will enhance your motivation and drive. You'll feel an intense desire to take charge and make things happen. Use this surge of energy wisely and focus on your goals. However, be mindful of impatience or impulsiveness that may arise. Take a step back and assess situations before taking action to ensure your decisions align with your long-term aspirations. As the week progresses, the influence of Venus will come into play, bringing a harmonious and pleasant atmosphere to your personal relationships. This is an ideal time for fostering deeper connections, whether romantic or platonic. Take advantage of this positive energy by spending quality time with loved ones, expressing your affection, and nurturing the bonds you cherish. If you're single, this period may present opportunities for new romantic encounters, so keep an open heart. Around the middle of the week, the alignment of Uranus might introduce some unexpected events or changes in your routine. Embrace these surprises with an open mind and adaptability. Although they may disrupt your plans, they could lead to unforeseen opportunities for growth and advancement. Flexibility and a willingness to explore new paths will serve you well during this time. Meanwhile, the influence of Mercury suggests heightened communication skills and mental agility. This is an excellent period for negotiations, brainstorming, and sharing ideas. Your ideas may be well received, and you could find yourself in situations where your voice carries significant weight. Be sure to use your persuasive abilities responsibly and consider the perspectives of others. As the week comes to a close, the full moon in your opposite sign, Libra, brings attention to your partnerships and collaborations. This lunation encourages you to seek balance and harmony within your relationships. It may also shed light on any imbalances or unresolved issues that require your attention. Take this opportunity to address any conflicts or unspoken concerns, as open and honest communication can bring about healing and a deeper understanding. Overall, this week offers you the chance to embrace your assertive nature, nurture your relationships, adapt to unexpected changes, and communicate effectively. By staying attuned to the cosmic energies and using them to your advantage, you can make significant progress towards your goals and foster meaningful connections with others. Remember to stay mindful of your actions and remain open to the lessons that come your way. Like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this reading and want to see more like it in the future.